Today's video will be a little bit different. I'm gonna show you how I organize my makeup and my vanity, and you know, my vanity is pretty affordable. I don't have any IKEA, you know, tables or drawers or anything like that. Everything that I have is very affordable, very budget friendly for everyone, because I know that not everyone has IKEA money. And I know how hard it is to build a vanity. I'm gonna show you everything from acrylic drawers to lipstick holders to brushes to the vanity mirror to by ColourPop. These and these, actually no, just these, and these are Coastal Scents. Got the famous Prism palettes by Anastasia. I got some magnetic palettes by, not palettes, eyeshadows by Malt Cosmetics. Here I have more palettes. I have the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. I just have a lot of palettes all over this place. Some of these brushes are by Ace Beauty. They just came out with their new set. Let's see if we can, right there. There's Ace Beauty. I have some MAC, some Wet n Wild, some Amazon. Here I have more palettes, powders, mascaras that I haven't opened. And these two drawers are full of lashes that companies have sent me. And this acrylic drawer, this one and that one, are both from Amazon. Yeah, they're both from Amazon, and sometimes they do have sales. When I got this one, I think I paid like $30, and then the other one I think I paid like $40, but their prices are always going up and down. So I will leave a link to both of these acrylic drawers in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So when we go to this part, the top one is just little palettes. Here I have primers, liners and primers. These little primers, like super cute little primers. Mascaras. These are my personal mascaras. Some liquid lipsticks, concealers, brow stuff. This is all Benefit stuff, and that's pretty much it. This one again is by Amazon as well. I will leave the link to this one as well in the description box below. Vanity lights are from Impressions. This is just their Hollywood vanity, I think. This was around $290, maybe $300. It's kind of expensive, but it is kind of worth it. Just make sure that you don't get bulbs that are like yellow, because it will literally drown you out. It will make you look yellow. But other than that, they're pretty good. I love it. Right here I have some plugs. It comes with a plug, and then here is just the on and off. So if I turn this off, turns it off. Beautiful. So here I have my lipsticks. These are all liquid lipsticks, and these are actually from Amazon. Not Amazon, eBay. These are from eBay, but I'm pretty sure in Amazon you can find some as well. I have 2 of them, and I just have like my favorite liquid lipsticks. I have my Rihanna one, Morphe, Lipland, NYX, ColourPop, Anastasia, some colored drains. This mirror is by Amazon. This one is so good. I got this for Christmas. I am obsessed with it. Right here in the back it has like a little button, and you would turn that on, and then you press this and there's more lights. You can rotate it. It's just so good. It's really affordable. I know Impressions has one of these, but they're like 50 bucks. And I'm not paying 50 bucks for a freaking mirror, so no. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. This is my second time recording actually, because the first time I didn't like it. So I hope you guys do like this video. And I want to see your vanity. So send me pictures on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat. I'm always on Snapchat, Twitter. I don't really use Twitter, but send me a picture on Twitter too. Everything will be in the description box below. So thank you for watching. You guys are awesome. I love you back.